order to achieve the automatic drone facade inspection, MIRS Innovate has developed an automatic flight system. With a combination of drones and artificial intelligence (AI) technology, we can provide automatic, safe, and efficient facade inspection for the building. The intelligent ground control station turns the drone into a reliable and simple-to-use solution by facilitating automated flight system. Multiple flight parameters can be set with just a few simple steps to produce desired flight pattern for effective data capturing. The high processing power CPU built into the flight controller system enhance the payload capabilities to utilize microwave radar, LiDAR system, and radio positioning system to achieve automated flight path planning and obstacle avoidance in GPS-denied environment. MIRS AI image recognition system can automatically detect, identifies, and labeling image and generates the electronic reports. It is convenient for building or facility maintenance manager to locate and classify defects accurately and keep for later repair and maintenance services. Through the combination of different types of sensors, the system can also be applied to electric towers, chemical oil tanks, warehouses, as well as tunnels. In the future, real-time data can also be transmitted to the cloud for image recognition through high-speed 5G technology.